Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can get smooth transition using this speed ramping on CapCut. So here I've already prepared two videos, but you can always do this trick for more than two videos. So on the first clip, click on it, go to speed, choose curve, and then select the flash out, this one. Click on edit and speed up the end of the first clip like this. Okay, like that. Click on the check icon and now click on the second clip. Go to or choose the flash in, click on edit, and now speed up the beginning of the second clip like so. Click on the check icon and you are done, and this will be the final result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.